Hey y'all, it's Debbie, your girl with pearls. Today I'm doing a Halloween boo garland. These are some of the things that I'm going to be using. Some twine, my rotary cutter. You can use scissors if you'd like. I prefer a rotary cutter. I'm going to use my square and my rotary mat. And I've got a couple of cute ribbons and 2 1/4 yards of fabric. I thought that fabric was so cute, especially with the boo ribbon. And that polka dot, love it. Okay, so what I did on the pumpkin fabric is I folded it in half to cut it. And I'm making them, actually they're 11 inches long by 1 inch wide. Now this is the orange 1/4 yard. And after opening this up, I decided I really need to iron this. Okay, now I'm going to cut that. You can see that that's opened up. I didn't fold it this time. So it's the full 11 inches by 1 inch wide. And I used these burlap flags. I had them left over from my son and daughter-in-law's wedding. And I'm using a stencil and a black magic marker, and I'm just going to write boo on them. I thought that would be cute to hang in the middle of the garland. So you can hand do it if you don't have a stencil. I just chose to use a stencil. And I'm stringing it on the jute. And now I'm cutting my ribbon, the same 11 inches. And then I'm going to cut this ribbon, and I'm laying it out for each side of the garland, the left side and the right side, and I counted out the pieces evenly. As I was going along, I created a pattern that I was really happy with, so I made sure on the right hand side to duplicate that pattern. So think about that when you're laying everything out. I'm really happy with it. It came out so cute. And here's a closer look. And I'll just kind of spread it out so you can see some of the ribbons. So cute. So cute. Now you can pick whatever ribbons that you like. Maybe that goes with your decor. I just found these and I thought they were absolutely adorable. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and maybe consider making one yourself. Thanks for watching. I hope you'll come back and see me again.